Hi, my name is Emma and I'm a local guide here at Generation Tours in Prague. Generation Tours operates in 5 great European cities, including Berlin, Budapest, Barcelona, Dublin, and of course, the beautiful and mysterious Prague. Now, if you want to wander around Prague on our tours, I recommend you check out the medieval castle complex where you can walk the paths of former kings and queens of Bohemia, or check out the area behind me here, the Old Town and Jewish Quarter, where you can learn about Prague's famous legends. You're also going to walk away from your tour with a lot of local tips and recommendations. Now, tip number 1, if you go on my tour, you're going to hear a lot about beer, because Czech beer is one of the most famous things about the city. It's also been brewed here for over 1,000 years, so you know it's delicious. And also in some places it's cheaper than water, so definitely cannot miss that. If you want to book a tour with me or my fellow guides at Generation Tours, check us out on Freetour.com and join us here in Prague.